In 1920, the Snap-on Group was established and expanded rapidly through mergers and acquisitions. Entering the international stage in 1931, its business now covers more than 100 countries and regions. Since 2014, Snap-on Group has established manufacturing bases in Kunshan, Jiangsu and Zhoushan, Zhejiang. The factory integrates the group's product design, technology and high-quality manufacturing to ensure that each product meets Snap-on Group's product performance standards. In order to better serve customers, Snap-on Group officially introduced the near-century-old Blue Point brand in 2011. Its products cover a full range of general and special tools, maintenance equipment and diagnostic tools, etc., providing one-stop comprehensive solutions for auto maintenance and repair for the automotive aftermarket. Blue Point brand keeps pace with the times, and customized workstation and new energy workstation solutions have emerged. Blue Point brand has always believed that only the products that have passed numerous tests can stand out in the market. Therefore, we are committed to the procurement of the high-quality raw materials and bringing in the production equipment while implementing strict standards. Since entering the market, Blue Point brand has built a global partner network. Its products have won many awards and are well recognized. After more than 10 years of hard work, Blue Point has always been seeking transcendence. In the future, Blue Point will continue to strive for excellence and forge ahead.